With Midjourney version 6 available, I want to show you how it stands up to one of its biggest competitors, Leonardo AI, using a range of prompts to generate different images. Stay until the end of the video and you'll see who is crowned the winner. Credit for the Midjourney prompts and images I'm using are from Tech Hala's page on X. After you finish watching this video, head over to X and give him a follow because he's a great source of insights on generative AI prompts. For the first round, here is the photo from Midjourney. The prompt is a silhouette of a crowd in front of a lighthouse, a lively pond, in a style of simple, colorful illustrations, drug core, bulbous, soft, aquamarine, and garnet, realistic forms, animated GIFs, crowd celebrating. This is a great image. Let's see how Leonardo AI handles this one. Leonardo AI does a really good job of interpreting the prompt accurately. All of the prompt elements are there, from the lighthouse to the silhouette crowd, and the image is more colorful and lively. Overall, I feel this one is a draw. For the second round, here is the photo from Midjourney. The prompt is a photo from the first person point of view, showcasing an underwater treasure hunt with a focus on the diver's hands reaching out to grab a mysterious artifact among the corals from the angle. Now let's see how Leonardo AI handles it. It does a good job as an image generator, but doesn't quite interpret the prompt in the same way as Midjourney. The photo looks drawn versus using Midjourney's hyper-realistic representation of an underwater photo. The hands aren't quite there yet, as you can see, and it's only displaying 3 fingers. So for this round, I'm giving it to Midjourney. For the third round, here is the photo from Midjourney. The prompt is a photography of a giant sushi roll for the Guinness Book of World Records. A chef is near the sushi roll. It's a striking image, professional photography, and a crowd is around admiring it. Given the previous round, I'm curious to see how Leonardo AI interprets this one. Leonardo AI does an admirable job generating the image. Overall, it captures the essence of what was asked and only fell short of including the admiring crowd around the chef. While both produce great images, I'm giving the slight edge to Midjourney on this one. For round 4, here's the image from Midjourney. The prompt is a biopunk samurai with a katana, full body avatar for a video game, Persona 5 design, light magenta, black kimono, T-pose facing towards the screen, flat colors, PS5 graphics, rendered in 3D Max, solid gray background. So far during this battle, we've seen Leonardo AI start to fall behind, but let's see if it can start gaining some ground back from Midjourney. Leonardo AI does a great job with a clean design, correctly incorporating the prompt, including most of the elements. However, you'll notice it's not quite as detailed as Midjourney's interpretation. Overall, it's less complex and in its design features, and it lacks that real wow factor that the Midjourney version has. So the winner of this round is Midjourney. For round 5, here is the image from Midjourney. The prompt is a fun and quirky iPhone selfie photography featuring a group of medieval characters rocking out at a folk music festival, energetic crowd in the background, and there's an essence of camaraderie and a spirit of the festival. Let's see how Leonardo AI does with this one. Here it is. Leonardo AI does an excellent job at matching the prompt in exactly the same way as Midjourney. All of the elements are there. Both crowds look excited and energized in their environment being in a music festival. Really, for this round, I'm going to call it a draw. For round 6, here's the photo from Midjourney. This one's a little bit more simpler. The prompt is an 80s DJ Risiograph Kodak Aerochrome. Here's Leonardo AI's interpretation. This one is disappointing because while it captured a couple of the prompt's verbiage, it failed to include a DJ entirely. The clear winner on this one is Midjourney. So Midjourney version 6 has only been out for a few days and it's already regained its spot as the top AI image generator. While Leonardo AI performs well with photographic realism, it still gets tripped up missing some elements entirely. And while both paid versions of the service start at $10 a month, Midjourney is the clear winner in this competition. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.